Welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Sweetcrispy Small Mobile Rolling Standing Desk, a versatile and ergonomic solution for your home, office, or classroom needs. This overbed table and teacher podium features an adjustable height ranging from 28.5 to 42.5 inches, thanks to its powerful gas spring system, allowing you to seamlessly transition from sitting to standing and enjoy the health benefits of reduced back pain and improved focus. Crafted from premium materials, the desk boasts durable thickened steel frames for superior stability and safety, while its 4 flexible wheels, including 2 lockable ones, ensure smooth and silent mobility across any surface. Its space-saving design, featuring a single column structure and collapsible base, allows you to easily slide it under your sofa or bed, maximizing your floor space without compromising on ample working area. Perfect for a wide range of professional environments, this desk accommodates almost any size laptop or tablet with a keyboard, making it ideal for offices, studios, and even medical clinics. Assembly is a breeze, taking only about 10 minutes with all tools and accessories included, along with detailed instructions and an installation video. If you encounter any issues, the Sweetcrispy team is ready to assist you, ensuring a smooth and satisfying experience with your new mobile standing desk. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.